select several different size buttons to make up your flower. And so we're just building our flower our flower right here. And you can use as many buttons as you want to build it. So let's assemble. So what you're going to want to do is take your wire and flatten it a bit, because we are going to need to work it through each of the buttons. You want to get that as flat as you can. It does not have to be perfect. And just work your buttons through. You don't want these to twist. So what you can do is feed them through and put them down. Take the next one, put it in, the next one, and just keep repeating this process until you have built your button. You can use about 4 to 6 buttons per flower. And what you're going to want to do next is take it on the back. You've got this nice and tight, and you are going to want to twist too tight, and you can do this all the way down. So that's your stem. And let's just go ahead and make some more.